one, we have find the exact measure of each interior angle in an equal angular octagon. Now there's actually a special formula for this. We just need to look those up real quick. And I'll put out two here. We have 180 and minus 2. That'll give us the sum of all the interior angles in a polygon, whether it's equal angular / equilateral or regular. So the term equal angular should tell you that, yes, it's a regular polygon. Any polygon that's equal angular also has equilaterality, I guess, or all sides are equal. All right. So the 180 times n minus 2 is just the sum of all interior angles again in a polygon, no matter if it's regular or not. And then when we have a regular polygon, we just add one more step here. We have 180 n minus 2 all over n. And that'll give us the individual angle. I'll just shortcut it there, angle. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just taking the sum and dividing out by the number of angles, assuming they're all equal, and then we'll get the individual angle. And now all we have to do here is just simply plug in. If we have an octagon, that's an 8-sided figure, like our stop signs. So we have 180 n minus 2 all over n. That's going to be 180, 8 minus 2, all over 8. And this is going to be simply, plug into the calculator. We'll have 180 times 6 and divide out by 8. So I get a total of 135, or for each individual angle, I get 135. So 180 times 6 all over 8 is going to give me 135 degrees. That's your final answer. Thanks for watching.